Cucumbers are consumed for their natural detoxifying effects, high levels of nutrition, great levels of hydration, and simply because of their crunchy and pleasant taste. Cucumber water is becoming especially popular for the above benefits, plus its ability to flush out toxins when consumed regularly, while also adding a pleasant taste to the water we consume. Simply cut a few slices of cucumber and add it to a cup of water. You can squeeze some of the juice from the slices for added benefits. Often, it is recommended to keep the peel on, so be sure to wash the cucumber well. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming cucumber water regularly. First, cucumber water is a great way to add important nutrition to your diet, especially when some of the slices are squeezed before adding them to the water and letting the mixture infuse. Cucumbers are loaded with vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin K, manganese, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. They are also low in calories, contain many different antioxidants, and are an excellent source of hydration themselves due to their high water content. Not only are cucumbers packed with healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, but they are an excellent source of antioxidants. This is often attributed to cucumber and cucumber water's tremendous detoxifying abilities and how it can promote the elimination of toxins and waste from the body. Cucumbers are an excellent source of vitamin C, many different flavonoid antioxidants, beta-carotene, and a unique compound known as silica. All of these potent antioxidant compounds help to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress, and reduce the risk of a number of different diseases and inflammation. One health benefit of consuming cucumber water regularly is its ability to help boost overall bone health and reduce the risk of certain bone ailments such as osteoporosis. This is because cucumber water is packed with a number of important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are vital for bone health. As mentioned previously, cucumber water is an excellent source of vitamin K that can help to strengthen the bones. As well, vitamin K is essential in the creation of proteins that are needed to keep our bones healthy. Cucumber water also contains good levels of manganese and magnesium, two important nutrients for our bones that can also help to reduce bone breakdown, especially as we get older. Cucumber water can also help to promote heart health and reduce the risk of developing heart disease and its risk factors. Regular consumption of cucumber water can help with lowering and regulating blood pressure levels, as some studies have indicated. Cucumbers are also a good source of potassium, a very heart-healthy nutrient that can also help to lower blood pressure. As well, the potent antioxidants in cucumber water can help to eliminate free radicals and oxidative stress in the body that can damage the cardiovascular system over time, increasing the risk of heart disease. Cucumber water has long been consumed for its amazing benefits when it comes to improving the health and look of our skin. In fact, cucumber water is known as a natural skin health boosting tonic. Cucumber water is high in potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that can help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, as well as help to keep the skin looking more radiant and young. Cucumber water also contains high levels of pantothenic acid, which can help to reduce skin ailments such as acne. Even more, it can help to flush out toxins that can damage the skin's appearance. Lastly, regular consumption of cucumber water can help with weight loss and healthy weight management. This is especially true when consumed on a regular and consistent basis. Cucumber water has been shown to help reduce appetite and promote feelings of fullness, which can help to reduce more calories being consumed throughout the day. As well, the pleasant taste can help curb cravings, and its great levels of hydration can also help us to feel full, as sometimes our body confuses dehydration and thirst as hunger. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.